How to sign a PDF on your Mac. So first step is to find the PDF which you want to sign and just right click and just make sure to open it with Preview app, which is by default. Once you are here, there are two ways how you can do it. You can just click on drawing option, which is the markup toolbar. Here you can set the black color. So it should be this option to draw. And now you can draw your sign. Second way how you can sign your PDF document, go to Tools in your menu bar, go to Annotate, and down here is the signature. And here are some signatures on your Mac. This is some random one. Once you create your signature, you can just add it here, for example, this random one, and you can place it whenever you want. If you want to add a signature, I'm gonna go again, annotate, signature, click on manage signatures, and now you can create your signature and you can use your trackpad or camera. So click here to begin. I'm gonna use my trackpad, and now enter your signature, and now you have to press any key when finished, for example space, and this is the signature. Here you can add the description, click on done, and this is it, and you can place it into area where is the signature. So basically that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.